Okay, so now we're gonna go over the tablature to be able to play the melody. And you have already done the first G major scale that I have on the page, which is just our open 2, open 1, 3, open 2, 3. You've done this one before. So now I'm gonna show you a movable one. And movable just simply means I can do this pattern of fingering anywhere in the entire neck because there are no open strings. So it's lovely because it's one set pattern that applies to all the major scales if I'm doing a major scale. So I'm starting in the 5th fret and I'm going to use finger 2, and you'll see because I'm trying to keep this box shape. Now in this scale we will actually have to move over 1 fret, and you'll see when we get there, but we're going to start with our middle finger on the 5th fret, and that's on the chart. It shows 5, 7. So 5, 7, and then 4, 5, 7. So if you were just looking at the fingering, which is what I personally like to do, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, you just have to make sure you don't step outside of these 4 frets when you're doing thinking about the fingering. So one last time, and then we're going to go on. 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. Then on the chart it says to move. So we're going to move over 1 fret and do 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. So we're just doing like 1.5 octaves of the G scale. I could slide on and go further, but for today I just wanted to give you that first part. So the other part on the 5th fret that when we moved to was 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. So all together, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, move over, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. So one more time. And like I said, this pattern works everywhere. So if I wanted to, since this is G, if I wanted to do F sharp, I could do that same pattern. It's very, very cool. I love the patterns in string instruments. So there's that. Now, looking at the tablature for the melody, you actually are not going to need these notes that I did. I just wanted to introduce a little more advanced concept that we will use later on. But if we look at the verse, you already can read the tablature. I'm just going to play through the verse, the chorus, and the bridge, and then you'll be ready to go. So we are starting on our G string, open. That's where, and I put the word I've heard. 2, 3, 4. I've heard 1,000 stories of what they think you're like. And then it repeats. There's your verse, and here's our chorus. You're a good, good father. And we're starting this one on our B string. 2, 3. You're a good, good father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are. And I am loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. And then finally the bridge part. Starting on the open G string. You are perfect in all of your ways. This will go 3 times. And then that whole thing would repeat. So there's all your melody part that you could play along with either the recording, or if someone else was going to play your chords on the piano or something like that. So have fun with Good, Good Father.